Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And this morning, we'll be quickly doing market recap of what actually happened last week on raw price action reading on gold. And this blue line was the previous convergence that happened. If you have watched my previous analysis, this was the previous convergence. And as a result of market movement, there were 325 piece movement before the market begins to consolidate again. But despite the consolidation of the market, price could not break this resistance level. So which means that price action works, chart pattern works. Not all price action chart pattern works. The one that usually works are in higher time frame. What happened here, if it happened in 15 minutes or 30 minutes, it might not work out because there is less liquidity in the market. This is December is here again, and market tends to consolidate a lot. Why? Because a lot of investors are trying to readjust their decision making right now. They are trying as much as possible to, you have been running business from January to December. You need a break. So as a result of that, the effect of such activities will be reflected in the market because this is raw. This is pure market. This is the effect of people's of fear and greed and nature of economic indicators in the market. That is why. Now, what candlestick does? So this is exactly how market plays out, and we were able to cut 320 pips. Though I didn't immediately market came to this level and it reversed, I had to exit as soon as possible because I don't even know what market is doing. But this is what is happening. So, like what market, and this is what market is doing right now. So, if market can break this key level once again, we are so sure that market is coming to this place. The reason why I didn't clean this chart is to show you guys that pure price action works, chart patterns works, but it must be on a higher time frame, and this is 4 hour time frame. If this happen in 5 minute or 15 minute time frame, it will not be effective. So if you want to use chart patterns to enter your trade, if you want to use chart patterns as a form of confluence to know the direction of the market, come to higher time frame, minimum of 1 hour. Yes, you might be told that chart patterns in 15 minutes work out. Yes, but they are not reliable. You can't see chart patterns in 15 minutes time because market can do whatever it wants. But this is 4 hour time frame. Each of these candle take 4 hours. 4 hours, which is 240 minutes for each one of them to load. So when you come to higher time frame, it slows down the market because there is a lot of noise when you go to 15 minutes, 1 hour. When you go to 15 minutes, 30, now you see, even in 1 hour, you can easily feel the nature of the market. See the entries. We were able to enter around here, and this is 325 pips. But upon that, market still came back and there was a lot of noise. Even if we didn't exit here, somewhere around here, we still be in profit. But because, the nature of the market right now, we might not. But if market can break this key level, this support level, and turn it to resistance, then that is all what we need. If market can break this key level and turn it to resistance, then it means that till the end of this year, gold will actually sell because we are almost at the end of the year already. This is December 8th, 2024. And market will open the next 24 hours. So that is exactly what price action is all about. Coming to higher time frame and see for yourself. Market has been in consolidation for the past 1 week now. Gold started consolidation since November 25, and this is December 8th. November 25 to December 8th, that is almost 3 weeks. So right now, this is the second week of market consolidation. But it's amazing things because when you zoom out to higher time frame, it gives you the raw confluence of what market is doing. So you are not just clicking buy and sell button. So now, with what market is doing here now, this is another perfect entry for another price action. So if price can come to this key level, if price can break this resistance level and retest, if it turns this support to resistance level, then we still have 680 pips loading again. Now not 800 pips anymore. Now 680 pips. And that is something great about price action reading. So that, but this is the best time to be watchful. Between now and the next 2 weeks, it's better to close the trade for the entire month. But this is exactly what it means to be a raw price action trader. It gives you the ability to spot, even when the volatility is slow, when there's less liquidity in the market, it gives you more strength. You are not buying on impulse or because of emotions. You are buying because of raw knowledge. To those who took this trade now, I say congratulations to you guys. 325 pips on gold, that is something massive. That is something amazing to do. And so you can see, imagine if you just enter with 0.05 and you're able to cut 300 pips, is something. So, and that is what I have for us this morning. And that is exactly what is happening on gold right now. So until this key level of support is turned to resistance, I will not click any buy or sell button at all. This level of resistance must hold. If this level of support turn to resistance, then that will be a perfect entry. But without that, if market is still consolidating in this zone, then we will be watching as much as possible, because it's not about clicking buying and sell button. If you are like a sniper who is waiting for the right entry, you must wait, because you see these things, this is the combination of order and chaos. Because when market is ready to move, it will move exponentially. So until that time, you don't need to rush yourself, you don't need to be highly emotional. And this is December, this is the best time for you to study market. This is the quiet time for you to understand how market moves, what market is doing, and how to be a better trader in 2025. You must be better. You have to be good. You have to improve yourself. You have to dive into the market and examine what market is doing. This is the best time. If you have not been reading before as a trader, read more. Read more books. Read more books. Think more. Open your chart. See what market is doing. Find out. Ask yourself, why is market move this way? Why was I able to predict this key level in 4 hour time frame and it plays out? Whereas if I didn't mean that it was 15 minutes, it would be rubbish. Despite the market consolidation, we were able to predict here, and 320 pips was able to be picked successfully. So understanding raw price action takes time. That is why you will not make money in this market in 6 months. In fact, it might take you 4 years, 5 years to make a consistent level of income as a trader. So your duty now, this is the best time to study what market is doing, because market has slowed down. Most of the setup will not be like, you will not see, to see a proper setup now will be very, very hard if you are a scalper, because market is a kind of low volatility and high volatility at the same time. That is why it is called order and chaos at the same time. So understanding what market is doing and how market moves to give you an advantage, and this is what you need right now as a trader. So zoom in. If you have not watched the previous video, go and check it out, and how I was able to examine what market will do, predict it. And that is exactly what played out. Though we were expecting market to move for 800 pips, it moved 320 and reverse back, but it does not hit our stop loss, because even if you enter at this key level, you are still in profit. So you are still in profit of 100 pips or 150 pips. So that is what I have for us this morning. And you can easily see buying and selling pressure, indecisions. Now, this rejection here, if you go to 1 hour time frame, was inverse head and shoulder chart patterns, this key level. This is where I exit the market, because when I saw this chart pattern here, I was a little bit concerned, because market can do whatever it wants at any time, any day. when I saw this inverse head and shoulder chart patterns, I need to play out to a level. Immediately market came to this key level and there was a form of rejection here. I had to exit. Why? Because chart patterns don't play with them when it occur in higher time frame of 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. You have to take them serious. So as a result of that, but because higher time frame and the complete bias of the market is still selling pressure, and that is exactly, despite that, market could not break this support level. Market could not break it, and right now market is still in the same symmetry, in the same convergence. So when you have this kind of knowledge over and over and over and over again, it gives you overall, it builds your experience, because for you to be a profitable trader in this market, you must have experience. How can you be an experienced trader? You have to make thousands and thousands of mistakes. Don't anybody tell you that you can be profitable in 6 months or 1 year. You can't be profitable in 6 months or 1 year. You have never even seen a single market cycle. You have never even seen the nature of because every market is different. What happened last year is not what happened this year. Next year will be different from 2024. So if anybody is telling you that I became a profitable trader within 1 year, they are lying to you, because nobody become a graduate in 1 year. No matter how brilliant you are, knowledge and experience are separate things. They might have a level of knowledge about how market moves in 1 year, but in terms of being profitable, it takes time, because if all the profitable traders, the game says that 90% of forex traders are not making money. So if the 90% of traders are not making money, what happened? What are they doing that is the same? What are they doing wrong? One of the things they are doing wrong is they want to be successful as fast as possible. They want to make the money very fast. There's somebody is selling them the red pill that you can be profitable in 6 months. You can be profitable with quick, you can be profitable as soon as possible, which is not real. Everything good in life takes time. But if you can study the market, if you can take your time, if you can open your chart, empty it, study what price is doing, how price is being the price delivery per each support and resistance. Ask yourself, why is it happening? What happened? Combine it with fundamental analysis. Check your technical analysis and your strategy of entry and exit. How much it play out, which time you will be profitable. You have to be profitable. So that is what the nature of the market on good. Now this is GBP JPY, this is daily time frame. When market break out this trend line, which is head and shoulder chart patterns around here, I knew that market is about to drop exponentially. And right now, market was able to drop almost 800 pips. Yes. Wow. Market dropped 1,000 pips. Market was able to drop almost 800 pips. This is 777 pips right now. And since this is daily time frame, which is daily bias, so I just bring out my Fibonacci key level to plot what market is doing now right now. So I'm expecting this market to come to this 50% confluence of Fibonacci. So this is GBP JPY, and this is exactly what market is doing in daily time frame. So I'm expecting market to come to this key level of 194,000. Now you can see that this 50% key level is also major resistance level, because this psychological level of 194,000, which is 0.05 of the same level. So if market can come to this place and retest, now something exactly is about to happen. You see this trend line, this blue trend line. If market came to that key level, this is what will happen. It simply means that market touch it, came to this key level. If market could touch it here and retest, if market, now I'm expecting market to come to this 50% Fibonacci key level and touch this resistance level and drop. If market can do that, what it simply means is that the trend is actually playing out the way it's supposed to be something like this. Now, are you seeing this now? So it means that market break to this trend line, then that is 100% retracement of the same market analysis. And that is how many pips? Let's check again. This is another 983 pips, though it might not play out throughout this year. And it might play out because this is December 8th, we still have time. Within for the next 15 days, for the next 10 days, market will still make sense. But this is 983 pips of perfect entry. Now, mind you, the purpose of this, what you are doing is daily bias. So when you enter market and you already know that the selling pressure is extremely higher than the buying pressure, you will not enter the wrong market, because the most dangerous thing any trader can do is you are trading against the trend. Like they used to say that the trend is your friend. Make sure that no matter what you do, never trade against the trend, because what you are trying to do as a trader is to check the weakness of the market, find the right spot of entry when the market is right, and enter. You are not trying to trade against the trend of the market. We are trying to follow the big boys in the market and trade their trend. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please, this is the best time now. Click the subscribe button. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Let us grow these channels together. If you have any questions, please ask. I will be expecting your question in the comment section. And what is happening in BTC? Now, this is BTC daily time frame, and I was able to do a little bit of market structure to see what market is doing. Right now, BTC came to $103,000, and right now, market is reading as $100,000. With what you are saying right now, it's possible that for now, this is the best time for you to edge your BTC or exit the market or hold tight. Why? This is what is happening right now. BTC came to 103,000 and came back to the same key level of this previous higher high, which is $99,600. Right now, BTC is forming, if you can see it, this is almost double top chart patterns. Let me draw it out for you so you can see. This is what BTC is doing right now. This is the first top. This is the neckline. Now, if market come to this key level and retest, then that's all. Then BTC is coming to $70,000. If market can make this support level to resistance, that is all, because it has already broke this structure that holds. This structure that has been holding since November 5, 2024, the structure has been broken right here. And not just broken, retest it again. So, which means that if you go to 4-hour time frame, the best thing to do now is to short BTC. Yes, not buy, is to short it. So right now BTC is in consolidation mode, and there's a probability that BTC will begin to draw from here, from this 99, from this $100,287. Be watchful, because right now market broke it and is already consolidating. So from this key level, there's a probability that market is coming here. And if market come to this key level and break it and retest again, then that is all we need. So it means that, so if market can come to this key level and retest, make this place as a retest, then it simply means that BTC is about to come to $70,000 to come and retest the psychological level of daily time frame. So that is all I have for us this morning. Till I come your way again next time, be safe.